Hey guys, Coding Wizard here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to allow videos with sound to autoplay on your website. A couple of years ago, most browsers came out with a strict policy preventing this feature from working. However, there are some ways around it. Basically, it says if a user interacts with the web page or application, then the user is giving consent for the autoplay with sound. Throughout the years, for a specific client, I've been able to pull this off using a different method that unfortunately no longer works. And the client came to me and said, hey, look, I need this to work. This is how my website was built. It relies on videos with sound. Then I tried simulating clicks, scroll movements, timers, etc. until I found this new simple solution. So let's take a look. Here we have a simple HTML file I wrote. Up here, we have the pop-up styling, the pop-up itself with the accept button. Down here we have the video with the attributes muted, autoplay, loop, and of course the video that I've uploaded locally. But this works with any YouTube or external videos you use. And here we have the script that controls the pop-up. So basically, once the page opens up, the pop-up is going to appear and the user will be forced to either click accept or decline. But whichever they pick, it will still count as an interaction, which is what we want. And this will then play the video. So now let us take a closer look at what is happening here. The video, as we know, will autoplay muted. The script will then listen for the click of accept cookie. Once accept cookie has been clicked, the video will go from muted to unmuted. So this is very important that your script unmutes the video after accept cookie has been clicked. And then also make sure that once the cookie click has been registered, that the pop-up does not appear again and annoys your users every time they open a new tab or they navigate through your website. Because remember, once the interaction has been made, they do not need to do this again over and over, because now it's in the user's cookies that they have interacted with that website. Let's take a look. As you can see, the video is autoplaying. It's currently muted. Now I'm going to go ahead and accept the cookie. And it's working. So now I quickly went back into the code and I've added an overlay onto the pop-up. So have you ever been to a website and you get a massive annoying pop-up right in the middle with a massive overlay, and in order to get rid of that screen and to proceed on to what you were looking for, you have to either click accept, decline, or settings. So let's take a look. And here we have it with the massive overlay. I can't hear anything, I can't proceed, so I'm going to go ahead and click accept cookies. And that is all for this video, guys. For this piece of code, check out my GitHub repository in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or send me an email and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Likewise, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if it has, please hit that like and subscribe button so I can release more videos like this. See you in the next video.